Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for the continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in British Pound JPY currency pairs. I'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and will be sharing you the support and resistance levels for all the time frame analysis. Please watch the video without skipping to know all the support and resistance levels. You can use these ranges for entering and exiting on your trades. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the past price action, we clearly know that it was on a very nice bullish trend, and the price action found a very strong resistance at the level of 195, and it started falling on a bearish trend. So before falling also, when we notice it, it formed a very nice double top pattern or the M pattern, and the price action found the support at the level of 125, and from here it started going on a bullish trend. But around the price level of 156, it found a very strong resistance and the trend reversal had happened. Previously also, when we look at the past price action, you can notice that this area was acting as a very strong support, and currently it had acted as a very strong resistance. Then the trend reversal happened on the bearish side. And when we look at the current price action, previously also this area acted as a very strong resistance, and currently also you can notice that this area is acting as a very strong resistance for the current price action. And when we look at the past price action, it went on a very nice bullish trend, taking support on this trend line, and when it reached this resistance level between 155 and 158, it formed a very nice head and shoulder pattern or triple top pattern. Then a trend reversal happened. It broke this trend line and was on a very nice bearish trend. And currently also, when we look at the price action, it is in a very nice bullish trend. This level was acting as a very strong resistance previously, and this time when it went on a bullish side, it broke this resistance level also, and it was on a very strong bullish trend. But again, the previous resistance level is acting as a very strong resistance for the current price action also. I have drawn the trend line also to let you know the trend of the market. Currently it is in a very nice bullish trend, but you can notice that it is forming a very nice double top pattern. Double top pattern means a sign of trend reversal. So we can expect the price action to bridge this trend line and go on a bearish side trade. So when it comes on a bearish side trade, we can expect this previous resistance level to be acting as a very strong support for the current price action. So this level of 141 will be acting as a very strong support for the daily time frame price action. And when we closely analyze the current price action, it is on a retracement. First support is going to be this trend line. Only when it breaks this trend line, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. But still, this level of support, which is around 149, is going to be the neckline or the strong support for the current price action. It has to break this support level to start its bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. As explained in the daily time frame, the price action has formed a consolidation or the triple top over here. It is found very difficult to break this resistance area, which is around 155 to 158, and it is in a very nice bearish trend. We can expect the price action to retrace and take support on the support level of 152, and if this support level doesn't hold, we can expect a further fall and take support on this trend line of the daily time frame. But overall, when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, it is in a retracement or in a bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in red color box are the support and resistance levels in 4 hours time frame, and currently the price action is in a bearish trend. We have a very strong support area over here, which is going to be between 152 and 149. Only when it bridges this support area, we can expect a bearish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we analyze the price action in hourly time frame, here also the price action is in a very strong bearish trend. It has tested this resistance line several times and bounced back on the bearish side. So from this price action we understand that this level of resistance 155 is acting as a very strong resistance for the current price action. We can expect the current price action to take support at the price level of 152, and if this level doesn't hold, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within the green color box are the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame, and the values in black color box are the support and resistance levels from the higher time frame. We can expect the market to trend on the bearish side and test the first level of support, which is around 152. If this support level doesn't hold, we can expect a further fall and test on this next level of support, which is going to be around 149. As long as this support level is holding, we can expect a trend reversal on the bullish side. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we analyze the price action in 30 minutes time frame, the price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern, and I have drawn the trend line over here or the resistance line, and the price action has gone up, tested this resistance line and again tested on the support line of the bearish channel pattern. Again it is testing the resistance line of the trend line. It is consolidating. Soon we can expect a break on the bullish side or on the bearish side, but still overall when we look at the price action, it is trading within a bearish channel pattern, so we can expect a break on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values within the yellow color box are the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action looks very bearish and trading within a bearish channel pattern. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. So I am in 5 minutes time frame now, and in 5 minutes also the price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern. It tested this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern and then it went on a bearish trend. I have drawn the trend line also to make it easier for you to understand, and currently the price action has breached this trend line, but it didn't have enough bullishness to go and test this resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, and it again retraced on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern and it is in a very strong bearish trend. We can expect the price action to continue its bearish trend because from the daily time frame we know that the current price action is in a retracement to test this support level of 152. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.